Finding the perfect travel companion changes everything. Today, we break down the absolute best lightweight carry-on luggage available right now, helping you pack smarter, travel faster, and avoid those annoying baggage fees.
Product number 1. SWISSGEAR Luggage. It delivers incredible packing capacity without the bulk, making it a top contender for any frequent flyer. Constructed from a highly durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric, this soft-side option withstands rough airport handling while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance. One of its standout features is the impressive external pocket layout. You get 2 deep front panel pockets, providing immediate access to your travel documents, tablet, or a light jacket. Navigating busy terminals is completely effortless thanks to the 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that provide full 360-degree mobility. Inside, the fully lined interior maximizes space with adjustable tie-down straps to keep your garments totally secure and wrinkle-free. A removable zippered wet bag adds a layer of convenience for damp items. For travelers who need serious organization and reliable maneuverability, this expandable bag perfectly balances rugged durability with a highly practical, travel-ready design.
Product number 2. Samsonite Luggage. When it comes to legendary durability, the Samsonite Freeform Hardside Carry-On Luggage sets an incredibly high standard for modern travelers. Engineered from an ultra-lightweight and heavily impact-resistant polypropylene shell, this hard-sided suitcase absorbs impact by flexing under stress, protecting your fragile belongings effortlessly. The minimalist, ribbed exterior not only looks incredibly futuristic, but actively resists scratches and scuffs. Maneuverability is a massive strength here, featuring double spinner wheels that glide silently across uneven airport floors and pavement. Security is also built directly into the frame with a side-mounted lock, ensuring your valuables remain fully protected throughout your entire journey. Despite its incredibly tough outer armor, the interior remains spacious and highly organized, featuring a cross-ribbon divider and multiple zippered pockets. If you want maximum physical protection for your gear without sacrificing a feather-light feel, this rugged yet sophisticated suitcase delivers premium performance for both business and leisure travel.
Product number 3. Level 8 Grace Carry-On Luggage. This luggage perfectly combines hard-shell protection with soft-sided accessibility, solving a major frustration for business travelers. Crafted from an exceptionally strong polycarbonate and ABS material blend, this suitcase features a brilliant front open compartment. This specialized padded pocket allows you to quickly grab your laptop or tablet during security checks without exposing your personal clothing to the entire airport. At just under 10 pounds, it maintains a lightweight profile while remaining highly structured. The mobility is simply top tier, utilizing 8 rubber-coated spinner wheels that handle sharp turns and tight airplane aisles with absolute precision. Inside, the spacious main compartment expands an additional inch to easily accommodate any unexpected souvenirs you pick up along the way. For tech-heavy travelers or professionals who need instant access to digital devices while keeping their wardrobe locked away safely, this innovative dual-compartment design is an absolutely unbeatable travel solution.
Product number 4. LUGGEX Carry-On Luggage. For travelers seeking a luxurious aesthetic combined with modern functionality, this is a stunning and reliable choice. Built around a totally premium polycarbonate shell, this hard-side suitcase is completely engineered to handle serious travel abuse while retaining its sharp, sophisticated finish. What really sets this model apart is the thoughtful attention to detail, including ultra-smooth multi-directional spinner wheels that ensure a totally silent, zero-effort glide across any terminal floor. The reinforced corners provide critical drop protection, exactly where bags take the most damage. Packing is incredibly efficient thanks to a fully lined dual-compartment interior featuring heavy-duty compression straps and smart mesh dividers to keep your wardrobe perfectly organized. An expandable zipper system instantly yields extra packing volume for longer trips. Offering tremendous value, incredible structural integrity, and an undeniably premium look, this luggage piece effortlessly elevates your entire travel experience from departure to arrival.
Product number 5. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Luggage. This luggage is a total game changer for anyone obsessed with traveling as lightly as humanly possible. Weighing in at an astonishing 5.4 pounds, this is truly one of the absolute lightest suitcases on the market. Crafted from a high-density fabric treated with a water-resistant and stain-resistant coating, it repels moisture and dirt effortlessly. The patented contour grip handle with rubberized touch points provides incredible comfort, completely eliminating hand fatigue as you navigate long airport concourses. The four-wheel spinners deliver a remarkably smooth roll, allowing the bag to walk effortlessly right beside you. Despite the incredibly low weight, the interior remains remarkably generous, offering an expandable main compartment and a full-length interior lid pocket for pressed shirts. If minimizing base weight to maximize your personal packing allowance is your ultimate priority, this soft-side suitcase is easily the best investment you can possibly make.
Choosing the right bag comes down to your personal travel style. The Travelpro and SWISSGEAR offer unbeatable value for soft-side fans who want absolute minimal weight. Meanwhile, Level 8, Samsonite, and LUGGEX dominate the hardshell category with premium security features, giving you incredible long-term durability at highly competitive price points that fit perfectly into any travel budget.